Today marks the first martyrdom anniversary of Shaheed Syed Gilani Sahab. History has testified itself that whosoever stands up for causes greater than their life, for humanity, for justice, for freedom, they live on. The verses of Baba Bulle Shah, that I am not dead in my grave, I have gone to my beloved. These verses beautifully encapsulate the struggle of Shaheed Syed Gilani Sahab. And there's so much of commonality between both these legends. 249 years have passed since the death of Bulle Shah. But history has repeated itself, and Syed Gilani Sahab in the same manner was forbidden his dead body a funeral. And his grave is a sub-jail. India is trembling, India is weakened, but history will witness the sacrifices that Syed Gilani Sahab gave for his nation, for Islam, for humanity. My salute to you.